Hi all, today I will present you the gym tower for the pull-up outside or inside, and we will do the unboxing and the mount now. This is the gold gym tower. Let's go. There is a screwdriver inside too. Very good if you don't have a product. You will need a plastic bag for put all in the trash, because there is a lot of small things. There is a lot of screws. Okay, we can see the seat. This is not leather synthetic, but it seems to be resistant. Need to see in the future after 2 years or 3 years outside. We can see the bar. This is plastic here. Here, this is mousse. We can see the Gold Gym logo. Aye. On the seat we can see the Gold Gym's logo. It fits with that screw. I think it's better for you to install it in a clean and play place, for don't forget element, and you can see if there is space, you can see all components, and it will be better for install the product. Okay, now we will do place. We can see the user manual, all steps from on your product. It's better for you to count the component and see before installing if it's good and if all is in place. We will put this like that. Okay, you will need that. You unscrew, you remove one. You need to put that now. You will understand why there is 2 screwdrivers, because one for lock and the other for turn, like that. Turn, turn, turn. This is auto lock screw. You can put the second. We can do the same with the second. Take the other part like that, and it will be the same. Now you can take the 2 tools and turn with the 2 in the same time in the opposite. Okay, good. Now you have the base. We need to take that and put between the 2 sides. First, just put here. We will put the second screw. Now we will do the second. It's important to not forget all parts, because this is a stability part. We can see this is a very strong product. The metal is very good, the screws are strong. We will put this like that, directly put a screw. Okay, for it don't move. It's the same for the other. Careful, there is a sense it needs to be up like that. It's for put your foot. Like you will need that. Okay, all the same, and let's go. Now we will need to put that like that. Now we can install this here, another like that. Take directly a screw for fix. Take inside there like that. Inside. Okay, put here. Do the same in the other side. We can put the screw now. Do not forget the round plate. Same thing below. Now we need to install this plate here. Do not forget that, it's very important. In the two sides, here and here. We'll put the bar like that. You will need the big screw. Do not forget to put that here. Put it now like that. Put the screw in the hole. The ring through like that. Okay, we'll put the end. We will put this tip of screw for inside. Now we can put paddle with long screw, the 4 long screw with the 4 small round plate. Put it in the good direction, because the turning screw will not be in the good sense direction. The goal point here, put this in the back. Be careful, for that there is only 1 round plate. You put 1 round plate like that and like that. Put the same one through the long screw plate, you put that. Now you can turn with the small. For the last, we will put the paddle here. Simply you put the screw and you turn. In the other side, push with that only, turn with that, because here you can turn. Solo with that. Okay, you can see the result. Yeah, rapidly for exercise. You can do that. You can put your leg here. You can choose for abdo. Up. You can do dips with that mount here. You take that and you can do with that abdo and you mount. You can do the same here, like that, and you mount. You can turn the power tower, you can do pump. You can do push up, like that. You can take like that. If you need that, I put you the link into the description. You can buy it in English, Spanish or French. This is a very good product. Thank you very much. See you later for a new video and say you bye bye.